Good day, everyone. We are Group 7. We have here Charmaine Dialino, Kian Flores, Jade Pabustan, and Crystal Joy Pusod. And the first presenter will be Jade Pabustan. Past checking in AI implementation leverages advanced technologies such as natural language processing and machine learning algorithm to enhance accuracy and efficiency. AI automates text analysis, defects, sentiments, and identifies pattern in misinformation, thereby reducing errors, information verification, real-time detection of false claims, and automatic updates across platforms. Ensure timely correction and reliable information dissemination. May I call Kian Flores to continue the discussion?
I am Kian Flores and this is my infographic. There are 6 steps. First is critical evaluation of online information. It's essential to critically assess source due to the abundance of online information. Second is evaluation step source credibility. Determine if the author is an expert and if the website is reputable. Third is case study. EL and job replacement source credibility. Evaluate claims from respected tech publications versus lesser known blogs. Fourth is social media challenges. Algorithms often reinforce existing beliefs, creating echo chambers and enduring balanced perspectives. Fifth is important of cross-checking. Use multiple sources and seek diverse viewpoints to avoid a biased understanding of information. Lastly, as final thoughts, carefully evaluating online information is crucial for making informed decisions, particularly regarding AI and automation. Next is Crystal Joy.
Hello, good day. I am Crystal and here's my infographics about our project. Social media algorithms create echo chambers, limiting balanced perspective to avoid bias, cross-check information with multiple sources, evaluate credibility of the source by checking author's expertise and website's reliability, ensures claims are supported by data and can be verified through other reputable sources. Understanding content's purpose and potential bias is crucial for making information decisions in digital age. The next reporter will be Charmaine Dialino.
And I am Charmaine Dialino, and this is my infographic. We use the example of claims about AI replacing jobs to illustrate these steps. We also highlight the challenges of social media algorithms, creating echo chambers, and the importance of cross-checking information with multiple sources. The segment emphasizes that being critical consumers of information is essential for making informed decisions, especially in the context of AI and automation. That would be all. Thank you.
And the majority of our members vote for Jade Pabustan's work because her work shows all the important things we need to know. Here is her work. And that's all for the work of Group 7. Thank you for listening.